Yo, what's up, y'all? I've been on this journey the last week, 2 weeks, to really try to put these waves in motion. I've never had waves. I've never had a curly top. I'm always surprised how beautiful my wife is because I've never had any of those things. I've always just, kind of went with a fade or a low cut. It made it work that way, right? But look, when you got game, you got game. When you got game, you got game. Right? When you got game, you got game. And the real ones know what I'm talking about. When you got game, you got game. Alright, so now I'm doing this Wave Builder program. And this is the Wave Builder pomade. And this is the Wave Builder shampoo. Okay, what I like to do in the morning is I like to damp my hair, of course, make it wet. Right? Make it wet. Hot rag, right? Hot rag. I've been trying to get my hair to lay down lately. What I do is I'll grab a little pomade, just a little bit. Or matter of fact, make it a good enough amount, right? So you can actually get the things you want to get from it, right? So actually be generous with it, right? Because if you got to buy some more, you got to buy some more. But sometimes, it's needed. And unlike the old pomade that used to leave like chunks of cream and all that stuff in your hair, this stuff kind of blends really, really good. I mean, you can see that and how it blends. And look, dog, I'm not spinning yet, all right? But I will be. Give it a little bit of time, right? Give it a little bit of time. These joints gonna be spinning, all right? So that's the pomade. The Wave Builder shampoo, I use that probably Sundays and Fridays. Right, 2 days a week. That's the recommended timeline for you to do it. And what I do when I'm in the shower with that is I also brush my hair. Right, also brush your hair when you're in the shower. Right, keep it laid down nice and good. Okay. The thing I really want to talk about is this do-rag. Right. I said a little bow wow. You just don't know. The nigga moves so fast across the floor. All right, check it out. Shout out to Lil Bow Wow. Do-rag is lit, dog. It's a good job, mainly because I came across it probably about a month ago. And I never really had waves because growing up, I didn't like that shit on my forehead, man. That shit hurt. Cut off circulation and all that. So I was like, fuck that. I'm all right. This one is good, though. This one is legit, right? And it's legit because look at how it goes on, right? So it goes on like this, right? Put that on your back, nice and good, all right? Grab this like that, okay? Tighten this just like that, right? Pour that joint down, okay? Pull it down, bring it around, tighten the joint, and boom. Your do-rag is on. Now you say, all right, I want my ears out. I want to be able to kind of, boom. It's comfortable. It's velvet. You don't got those marks. You got a little bit of mark on your forehead, but it's nothing crazy. It's a much more easier do-rag to wear at night and during the day than some of the other ones that's real tight, that's cutting off your circulation and all that. And this is what it looks like from the front. I mean, you can see it's tucked in there nice and good, but the big difference is the final wrap and how comfortable that joint is. Right? It's a really, really comfortable do-rag and it's velvet. So shout out to Bow Wow for that. The Wave Builder shampoo, you want to use that 2 times a week. All right, you want to use that 2 times a week. All right, I got that on Amazon. Let me see how much I grabbed that on Amazon for. No more than like, I grabbed the do-rag. The do-rag was about $8, $9, right? So very affordable. Probably a little bit more expensive than what a traditional do-rag would be inside of like, the beauty supply store or something like that in your neighborhood. But for $8, $9, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. It comes in jumbo velvet. It comes in spandex. It comes in charcoal, it comes in different colors, and you can get it a little bit tighter too. You can get it in, this is jumbo, but you can also get this joint in spandex, right, in different colors too. All for about $8. I grabbed mine right on Amazon. The link is below. You want to grab that, shout out to that. And basically it's a jumbo compressed rag, right? It's a jumbo compressed rag that, I mean, really is changing the game. When you talk about do-rags, this do-rag is changing the game. It's unique, it's comfortable, it has an adjustable fit. You can kind of fit it how you want to, and it's stylish. right? It's stylish. This look like something that could be religiously affiliated, right? So, it's something that you can wear in public, and it's jumbo for versatility. That way, depending on what type of hairstyle you got or what you're going for, it's going to be comfortable and cool. It's very lightweight. It looks like the design was made in America, but it was made in Vietnam or China. And it's just very easy to use. No pain relief at all. If you're looking for a do-rag that's going to do you justice, that's going to get you to where you need to get to in terms of your waves, you want to grab this. Shout out to Bow Wow. Link is below. Press subscribe, press like. I'm out of here.